Hey guys, welcome back to another Google Play Points video, and this video will be very much special. In this video, I will talk about how to create a United States account so that you can earn Google Play Points. Now this time Google Play Points is not available in all countries. Okay, it is available in some countries like United States. Okay, so if you want to use Google Play Points, you really need a United States Google account. Okay, to use Google Play Points, and in this video I will give you a detailed and overview, and I will show you how to create a United States account so that you can earn Google Play Points. Okay, and I will request you to watch this video till end, otherwise you will not understand. Okay, and watch this video till end so that you can create a United States Google Play account so that you can earn Google Play Points. Here is a quick overview of all the steps to complete the whole process. Now here is the first step. Go to Play Store and download a VPN and then connect to United States. I will use Turbo VPN. You can also use this, or you can use also another VPN. Okay. Now after downloading the VPN, go to VPN and connect the server of United States. Okay, and now I am connecting the VPN. Here you can see, and let the VPN be connected and wait, and now it is connected, and now the whole process I will start. Okay, here is the second step. Here you have to create a Gmail account. Okay, for this, here you can see I am in the settings, and from here you have to tap on the accounts and sync, and then you have to tap on the add account option. Okay, add account, and then you have to select Google, and after here you can see checking info, and here you have to verify your fingerprint. Okay, after verifying, it is saying checking info, and then here you have to tap on the create account, and then you have to tap on the for myself. Now here you have to enter your first name, and after here you have to enter your last name. After you have to select on the next, and now here you can see you have to select your date of birth and gender. Okay, select day, month and year, and now you have to select your gender. Now you have to tap on the next, and here you have to choose your Gmail address, or you can create your own Gmail address also. Then you have to tap on the next, and here you have to select your password. Okay, create a strong password for your Gmail address, and you have to confirm the password also. Okay, and after the steps you have to tap on the next, and here you can see add phone number and all these things. You have to tap on the yes I mean, and then here you have to tap on the next, and after this here you can see you have to tap on the I agree button. Okay, and now it will take some time, and here you can see Google services, and it's done. Okay, and the Gmail address is created. Now here is the third step. Go to your browser and sign into your Google account. I will put a link in the YouTube description area so that you can do this step very easily. Now you will see a interface like this, and here you can see this is my primary Gmail account. Okay, and now I have to switch to the new account which I just created. Okay, and here you can see you have to switch to the new account you just created, and you have to just select the account. Okay, and here you can see I am just logged in into the new Gmail account, and now you have to go to the payment and subscription. Okay, here you can see payment and subscription, you have to tap here. Okay, and now here you can see payment methods. Just you have to tap here on the manage payment methods. Okay, here you can see manage payment methods, and the page is now loading, and you just have to wait. And after the loading, and here you can see the page is now loading, and you just have to wait. After the loading of the page, tap on the add a payment method. Okay, and now here you can see you have to put all the details here: card number, name, country, address, all these things. Okay, just first select your country to United States, and then here you can see address lineup 1, address lineup 2, all are there. Okay, just put First Avenue in the address lineup 1. Okay, and don't put anything in the address lineup 2. Now select town oblique city. Here just put New York. Okay, and I will put all this information in the YouTube description area for your help. Okay, and you can also pause the video and write down all these things, okay, for your help. Now here you also have to do it New York. Okay, done. And the passcode, just put it 10001, or you can check for Google for another passcode. Okay, just put a passcode for New York. Okay, now here you can see you have to put the card number. Okay, and I already saved the card details. Okay, so I will just paste that here. Okay, and if you want to use my card details, use these card details, okay, which I used. I will put all this information in the YouTube description area, or you can just pause the video and just write down all these things so that you can use for your. Okay, now it is asking me CVC. Okay, just put that and it's done. Okay, now you have to tap on the save. Now here you can see after you tap, it is not saving. Okay, it is showing an error. Okay, just put that save 2 or 3 times. Okay, 2 or 3 times. It is not saving here, you can see. But what you have to do now, you have to tap on that cross sign over there. Okay, cross, and now here you can see, just select on the 3 lines. Here you can see, now select on that 3 lines and then go to addresses. Okay, and now here you can see your addresses is saved. Okay, here you can see your address is now United States. Okay, so just completed another steps. Okay, and here you can see the addresses are saved. Now here is the fourth step. Here you have to create a Google Opinion Rewards account. Okay, and here you can see Google Opinion Rewards just install from Play Store and then open. And now you have to create a account for your new Gmail account. Okay, just select the account which you just created and then tap on the OK. And now here you can see terms of service, just tap on the accept. Now here you can see you have to just select the country to United States and then you have to change the pin code. Okay, which you just used 10001. Okay, and then continue. Now here is again terms of service, just tap on the accept. Now here is a quick account setup, just select your age, gender, and then select language. Okay, then tap on the continue and the account setup is done. Okay, just tap on the no thanks and your Google Opinion account is now ready. Okay, and it is linked to your new United States Gmail account. So the payment method for Google Play Points is ready. Now all the process is done. Just now you have to go to your Play Store and check you got Google Play Points or not. Okay, now go to Play Store and log in to your new United States Gmail account. Okay, here you can see I just logged in with my new United States Gmail account. Now what you have to do, just tap on the notification and offer section to go to the Google Play Points and Google Play Pass. Okay, and here you can see notification and offers and just tap on the offers, and here you can see Play Points and Play Pass. Just tap on the enroll and here you can see Google Play Points, and this is the Play Points page, and here you can see all the benefits of Google Play Points, just levels bronze, silver, gold, platinum. And just what you do, just tap on the join for free to join Google Play Points, and here you can see it is loading. Okay, just tap on the yes I'm in and you are all done. Okay, here you can see Google Play Points unlocked. So this is the process to unlock Google Play Points. And okay, and if you have any questions regarding all this, you can ask me in the comment section below and I will try to answer your questions. And if you guys are still watching, a sub to my channel will be amazing. Okay, and if you have any questions, ask me in the comment section below and share this video with your friends. Bye, see you guys in the next video.